Hi friends, today I am with the Eco Show 8 and in this video we are going to talk about the unboxing of the device, what are the box contents and few more things. If you talk about the details, it comes with the 8-inch HD display, it has a 13 megapixel camera built in, it comes with the stereo speaker, Bluetooth, hands-free Alexa, and also you can see you can put this Alexa in your home as a showcase also, and it is not just a smart speaker but it offers you a lot. Talking about the box price, it is 13,999, which is around 14,000. But I will definitely let you know the final price. If you talk about the box content, here you can see it is a little heavy. And putting out the Eco Show 8, here you can see some paperwork. We will talk about that later on also. And there is lastly the charging adapter. So it works on an AC charging adapter and it needs a constant internet connection to run. So right now I am just unzipping the plastics what are given inside over the Eco Show 8, taking out them. So here you can see it is little bigger than my hand and it looks like a tablet attached with the speaker. So at the back it has a point connection for charging, and here you can see I have put the AC plugged in, and inside the paperwork I will definitely recommend you to check the paperwork and know your device better. And it has a plug-in AC power at the back. It also comes with a micro USB charging slot at the back. So these are the few things. You also get a warranty card. Now coming to this, it has English language and English Hindi language. Currently I am choosing English Hindi language. It will ask to connect with the network. Once you connect with the network, it is done. It will ask you to put your Amazon account. Once it is done, it will tell you to choose the region, and it will be to the region of the area map where you are living because of the time zone. Then it will ask you where you need to put it, in your bedroom or your living room. What will be the name of the device? You can choose that. You can choose the wallpaper from what you are getting to see the updates, and you can also monitor your home with the front camera, which can do a monitoring a bit, and I will show you the feature later on. And once it is done, it will take some time to do the installation. I have done the installation part a little quick. It will take a little more time than that. Once it is done, you are ready to go. In the top there are 3 buttons with the one slider button, which we will talk about it later on. And here you can see what I have recently played. It will show. Now going to the settings first, you are getting the Bluetooth setting. If you have any Bluetooth device to connect with, you can connect with this one. If you have any network, you want to change any Wi-Fi network, you can do that. You can change the brightness level. You can also have the adaptive brightness, sunrise effect, and there is a adaptive color also. So you can change it according to your need. And sunrise effect is also a good feature what you are getting in the Eco Show 8. If you go to the clock and photo display, here you can also connect with your Facebook account and also show the whatever images are there in your Facebook account. You can change to auto sleep. If you don't want 24-hour clock, you can change that also. Night mode also can be changed. So there are few settings which can be customized by you only. Coming to the home content, here you can see the calendar events, communications, and there is drop-in, final scores, whatever your favorite team is if you want to see them. And there is also helpful hints during the COVID-19 if you want to see those also. Notifications of Alexa skills, alerts, recently played music, reminders, and there is also trending topic, upcoming games, and rotate continuously. So there are pretty much good option of customization of your own liking. If you go to the sounds, you can increase the volume. You can also change the volume for the alarm also. You can change the alarm tone. That can be done in the sounds only. If you have a do not disturb, you can do not disturb it so that it will not disturb you while playing any songs or anything. In the camera, you have a home monitoring. You come with a video delay and also audio alert, which can be changed on later. You can also change the device name also. If you go to the communication, you will get the incoming call ringtone. You have the video call provider. It is by Zoom here. So that can be also done. Even you can get the Alexa preferences from the calendar or the photos. And if you don't know anything currently, you can go and check out the things to try. Here you will get a little bit idea what you can do with Alexa, how you can give the commands to Alexa. Even recently we have done a video of Amit ji voice which is included in the Alexa, and I will show a little bit demo of that also. Even if you have a smart home, you can do that, you can change that. So there are many features which the device is coming with. And here you can see, if you go to the settings, there is help accessibility. You can also do the color inversion, color correction that can be done. If you go to the video section, here you are getting a Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube. Netflix app is there, but YouTube will go and open in the web browser. So here, if you want to watch anything on Netflix, just tap on Netflix, or you can directly command it and it will play with your account only. And in that also you have all the sections of the video. It can be played on the full screen very easily. Currently you can see I'm just trying to play something for you guys. Here I will play this movie Udan, and it works on the full screen. The audio is definitely loud, and you can also scroll in any part of the movie where you want to see it. So this is a tablet with speaker, a very good kind of speaker, stereo speaker, which gives you an experience. This is a HD screen, and experience is literally good here. And you can also put the volume down or up with the volume rocker keys, which is given at the top. You can mute it also from the top, and you can put a camera with a shutter. There is a shutter button for that. So this is how your Netflix will work. And you can also play something on the Prime. You can order your new grocery list. Everything can be done using the Alexa commands. And there is a long playlist of Prime and Netflix and YouTube also. So if you want to check it out, you can go and play them. And this is definitely will be an interesting content. It also gives you some codes on a daily basis. Now coming to the mobile app, if you see in the mobile app, there is a drop in tab. Just drop in that and it will do the video call on your Alexa device. And here you can see in the smartphone it is already been showing my video. I am currently muting so that the echo will not happen, and you can see the same video is also played in the echo show. So that is a good thing. You can do the video call to your friends and family and everyone using this. Click on your family also with the video monitor, which is definitely a good thing. You have few tweaks here. So currently I am putting the smartphone on side, and here you are getting a mute button, and you can mute and unmute that. You have a video off and video on. Currently I am putting a video off, and there is also follow on. So the follow on will be there. It is a very good feature to check out your old age parents or maybe kids. So this is definitely a good feature. You can also switch the cameras of the video calling and the by default camera of Echo Show 8. This can be done. So currently I am ending the call. So this is a good feature.
अमित जी, क्या बरसात होने की संभावना है?
बिलास पर छत्तीसगढ़ में आज रात शायद बारिश नहीं होगी। शाम के 6 बजे के समय सिर्फ 15% की संभावना।
अमित जी, आप कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया हूँ, बढ़िया। पूछने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
We have made a separate video with a talking and how to install Amit Ji feature in your Alexa device. You can check that. I will link that video also. If you see the 5-inch and the 8-inch, this is the 8-inch second generation and the 5-inch first generation. It comes with the very similar features, very similar look. Just the display is bigger, the speaker is bigger. But overall here you can see the setup is almost same. But the 8-inch new second generation doesn't have any 3.5 port. But rest of that everything is similar. It comes with the same feature here. If you see just a comparison with the 10-inch, this is the 8-inch plus, and 8 is second generation Echo Show, and this is a 5-inch. So there is a huge difference. And we have made a separate video for 10-inch also. You can check it out. So this is completely based on which user you are, what kind of display you want, and also the speaker quality, what kind of speaker quality you want. You can go according to your need. Now the current price of the product is 9,999, which you can get with some of the offers bundled with. So this is the current price of Echo Show 8, which is definitely not a bad price. The box price is 13,999, which is 14,000. So you are getting at least 4,000 lesser what is the original price for this. So this is all about in this video regarding the Echo Show 8. in which you are getting a 8-inch SD touchscreen display. It has a 13 megapixel built-in camera with stereo speakers and a lot which we have discussed in this video. So this is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.